I believe that when dictators speak, we should listen to what they say. And Xi Jinping has stated his intention to, in his words, resolve the Taiwan question. And I think he means on his watch. He has said that his Chinese dream, his overarching policy, is something that cannot be completed without total unification. He has said that he does not want to see the Taiwan question passed on from generation to generation. So that's on the intentions side of the ledger. I think those are very serious statements on his part. On the capabilities side, we've seen a massive military buildup, unlike anything we've seen in peacetime since the 1930s and Nazi Germany. In fact, Xi Jinping has said this explicitly, that chaos is the main characteristic of the world today, and that trend is likely to continue. But he doesn't think that chaos is a bad thing. He actually makes clear that he finds it very useful. He said that this trend is something that works in China's favor, and that the opportunities outweigh the risks. So I think all of those things tell me that he has a waxing sense of optimism about the utility of war, and maybe has an overweening optimism about how effective a war could be and how short it might be. History is paved with examples of wars that were actually long, bloody, and quite negative, even for the aggressors who pursued them in the first place.